Good morning, Kim here from Keep Fit with Kim with another walking workout. Just start by lifting the heels. So don't forget, if you're trying to keep your step count up on your counter, you need to keep those arms swinging. When I add arm movements, if you don't want to do them, leave them out. If it's too fast, do it slower. Take that to a march, right, left. Making sure always that there's nothing you're going to hurt your feet on, you're not going to bash into anything. You only really need the space of a fitness mat. I got quite a big mat here, so I can do a little bit more forward and back, but if any time I'm coming towards you and you don't have room, just turn to the side. You can always march forward here if I'm coming to you. Let's take that 2 forward, 2 back. So again, make this as big or small as is comfortable for you. If you want to make it a bit harder, you can actually sit down into that move. But if you don't, just keep it moving gently. Remember, we're exercising for about 15 minutes today. If you struggle to get through the whole 15 minutes, pace yourself. Slow it down, make it smaller. If it's easy, then please make those movements a little bit bigger. Ready for stepping to the side, step and touch. 8 more. Well done. And again, same thing here. If it's too much, if it hurts your ankles to do this, let's change sides. You can always make those movements smaller. So I'm taking quite big steps, but you could just make it a little step and touch here. Take it to your level, work at a level that feels good for you, your body, your workout. Just raising the heels, push it through. Two forward, 2 back. And again. Ready for those side steps. Singles, and touch, step and touch. So I'm making those movements a bit bigger now, but that's your choice. Other side. Just keep those feet moving through the gap. Let's march it through. We're going to go left, right this time. A little bit odd timing to start with. The beat. It's a little bit unusual beat here. I'm repeating myself. 2 forward, 2 back, starting with the left. We're going to do the side tap. We're going to go this way to your left. To the right. So I'm going to add some arms now, other side. 2 steps. So if that doesn't feel right, you can just have the one arm, the little push, one arm, a little push, or an L shape. Hold it here, single steps. Bring those steps forward, just a small twist, 2, 3, back for 4. If you don't have room, then just keep it on the spot. You might be able to do 2 forward, 2 back. Hold it here. Forward, 4, 3, 2, back for 4, 3, 2, ready for 2 steps again, and back. If these arms don't feel right, either just swing them or do what feels right for you. I'm going to change the arms, push them slightly across the face. A slight diagonal push towards the corner of the room. Again, if that's hurting your ankles, you can really make the leg movement smaller. So do what's comfortable for you. You might notice I nearly always work out in bare feet. If you're diabetic, please wear shoes and always check your feet afterwards. If your ankles feel weak, wear trainers, doesn't really matter. Let's take it to heel dig, so I'm pushing the heel in front. Doing a little bicep curl. If you want to add a little bounce to that, you can, a tiny little squat with one leg, but that is optional. Let's take the arms out to the side, touching out to the side. And again, if you want to add a little of the hop, you can. You can make it bouncy, bring the elbows up if you want to really work the back of the arms as well. Again, it's optional. If you really need to catch your breath here, you use this time to catch your breath. Okay, I'm going to do a slightly different step now. You're going to keep your right leg still, the left leg goes in front, back, front and back, front and back, and change, front and back, front and back. So I'm actually lifting the middle foot and change, front, back, front, back. It's almost as if you're going to walk forward, change your mind, go back and change, whoa. And change. Change. And change. Just make it work for you. If it doesn't feel quite right, just march on the spot, do what feels right. Let's march it through. Take it wide. We're going to do 2 in, 2 out, 2 in, 2 wide, 2 in, 2 wide. Now, as you take it wide, bring the feet forward. So feet together, feet wide, back and forward, together, forward. Again, if that doesn't feel right, just keep it on the spot. You don't have to go forward and back. Hold it here, let's change. Left foot first. Ready to tap change to the right. Again, if you don't get that, that's fine. Do what feels right for you. Tap change. Tap change. Last time, tap change. March it through. Right, left this time. Are you ready for that little forward and back walk? So step forward, step back, step forward, step back, forward, back, and change. Forward and back. And change. Well done. And change. Ready for heel digs in front. So again, you can make this as gentle or as hard as you want. If you want to add a little bounce, you can too. I'm not going to add a bounce. I like to keep my workouts nice and low impact. And again, do what feels right for you with the arms. I'm swinging mine side to side. You might want to reach up in front. You can reach up higher the arms go, the harder your heart's going to work. So you make your choice. If you're finding it a little bit easy now, make those arms go higher. Maybe both arms high. Let's take the legs to the side. So again, here if you want. Just catch your breath, march it through. Three and tap, 3, 2, 1 and a tap, and a tap. So if you want to make that harder, you can add a knee lift. Add some knee lifts if you wish, or toe taps. Either knee lifts, with big arms if you want, or with no arms if you want, or toe taps in front. I'm going to take it somewhere in the middle and just have some little low knee lifts. March it through, 3, 2, 1 and a tap, or a knee lift, tap, or knee lift. Just marching on the spot. Take it to knee lifts. So you can add pull down with the arms. You can even add a little bounce if you wanted to. I'm going to leave the bounce out as always, but if that's too much for you, just take it to a tap. Whatever arms feel good for you. So do those knee lifts if you need a slightly harder workout. Take it to those knee lifts. Really challenge your breath. You need to be slightly out of breath doing this workout, but you should be able to breathe. So if you're really struggling with your breath, just really take it down. If you're not, then please make those arm movements bigger. 3, 2, 1 and a tap. Ready for that forward and backward walk. Forward and back. It's quite fast here, so you're going to need to make it quite small. I'm just on the ball of my foot. Changing ever quite as fast. Let's change now. Pause. Really think about pulling your tummy in. Think about your upper body posture as well. March on the spot. Take it wide. 2 in, 2 out. And again, here, it can just be little, or it can be big. You can add some arms. If I want to make it big, it's here. If I want to make it small, it's here. Keep moving through the gap. We're going to start bringing it down now. Okay. Just little heel digs. A much slower piece of music. We want to try and return your heart rate to normal. And if you're still slightly out of breath at the end of this, please just walk around gently. Eventually it'll get easier. If you do these workouts every other day maybe, even every day, you're going to slowly build up your ability to do these moves. Ready for side steps. To the right, step together. Don't make it too big, don't make the arm movements too big now. I'm just gently swinging my arms, keeping my shoulders relaxed. If you've got room, you're going to come forward for 4. If you haven't, you just hold it here. Of course, you can just come forward for 2, back for 2 if you want. Your workout. Back to the heel digs. Again, do what feels right with the arms. Try and really relax your shoulders here. You can take the legs out to the side. watch as you do this, that you're not arching your back. So, making it small, I'm bending my knees slightly, pulling my tummy in, just letting the arms go however is comfortable for you. I find opposite arm is best. You might find just both arms works nicely. I think today both arms is working for me. To the side. Doesn't matter which side you are, we're alternating, so you're going to get about the same on both sides. And heel digs in front. Little side steps. Well done. What I want you to do now is take a nice big stride. Both feet are pointing forward, and you're going to come up onto the toe at the back. Hold on to the wall if you need to, but make sure your legs are wide enough. They're not in here, they're nice and wide. And you're going to drop that back leg until you feel the stretch in the hip and in the thigh. Just pushing slightly forward, so pushing in that direction to feel a stretch in your hip. Do use something to hang on to if you need to. Well done. Hold that there for a moment or so. Let's change sides, so exactly the same. Legs wide enough to get balance. Start with a nice big stride, both feet down, lift the back heel off the ground, drop down. So my front knee is above the ankle, and I'm pushing this hip forward towards you, feeling the stretch here and in the quad in the front of the thigh. That's all for today. See you next time. Bye for now.